Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of Aviator gaming website. So if you also want to make your own Aviator crash gaming website, so you are on the right video. In this video I will completely show you how you can make this website. I will give you the complete overview of this website, how we can create accounts, how we can log into admin, and how admin can completely control the complete website. And let me tell you that admin can completely control the win and lose of user, and admin can crash this plane at any time in this website. So you will have the complete control of website, and you can completely crash it plane at any time you want. So now here you can look at its amazing home page, and these are the banners that you can change these banners and at any time. And viewers, let me tell you that if you want to buy this source code from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp and Telegram links are in description. You can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram and you can buy this source code. And if you want the complete end-to-end ready website, we can also build the complete website for you. Where you don't have to do nothing, we will build the complete site for you. So viewers, now what we will do, we will go to register option. So here is register button. So by filling these details you can register on the website, and here is login option. So if you already have an account, you can log into the website. Now we don't have an account, so first of all we will log in. And viewers, let me tell you one thing more. Here you can see that this script is installed on my subdomain demo.justable.786.com. So I've hosted this on my domain, and then I'm giving you the demo of this website here. Now in order to register, here we have to fill our name, and here we have to select our gender. So I'm selecting the male. Here you have to enter your phone number. You can enter any phone number you want, and after that here we will enter our email, and here you can enter any email. Here I will enter my password, and after entering these details, here you can view the password as well by clicking this option. And here you can select the currency like INR, and if you are a foreigner you can choose a USD currency. So here I will select INR, and here you can enter promo code, referral code, and the referee will get the commission as well. And here you can read the site rules. When I click on start game, it will register my account. So here you can see that we have successfully registered our account. Now you can play the Aviator game from here, and here you can see the deposit is $50, that we get the bonus $50 on the website. So we get $50 deposit bonus. And now if we had to play the website, you can play it from here, and you can directly click on play now in order to play the game. So viewers, so let me just turn off the music, and so now if you want to play the game, you can place your bet here, and after the crashing your bonus will be added. So I will give you the one demo by playing the game. So first of all, let me just refresh, and now I am placing 10 rupees bet. So 10 rupees bet has placed, and now your viewers, here you can see our cash out is going, and now I am going to cash out, and here you can see our balance is 53, and we have successfully win the game. So here you can see it is working randomly currently, but you can set it at any crash time you want it to be crashed. So currently I have set it on random, so it will move randomly, but from admin panel you can set up proper crash time, and at that time the plane will be crashed. So you can set it up these things from admin panel. Here you can see the old players of the games and their amounts. Here you can go to my bets and see your total balances over here. So here you can see my cash out is 13 rupees bet, and bet amount over here. So this is how you can place two bets at a time as well. So here you can place two bets at a time as well, and you can close the other bet as well. So you can close the second one, and you can use one from here. So this is how you can play the game. And here let me show you some other options. So you can turn on off sounds from here, and you can off it or you can on it, it depends on you. So here you can go to deposit funds. If you have to deposit money, you can deposit money using a UPI or a net banking, etc. And if you want to use any other gateway like crypto and other gateways, we can make them for you. There will be no issue with that. And here if you have to deposit money, here you can just enter the amounts you want to deposit. Here is your QR code will appear here. You can insert this QR from admin panel. So here you have to insert this QR from admin, and here is your account number will show here. You can change these details from admin panel. Currently these are random details, and here you have to enter your transaction ID, your account number, account holder name, and IFC code. Here you have to enter bank name, and you can easily deposit money. You can send the deposit request to the admin, and here request has sent it to the admin, and now admin will, if admin will approve it, the amount will be added to your account. So let's go to home page. Here let me show you here withdraw funds from account. You can withdraw your funds as well. So go to withdraw funds, and same like deposit, you can send a withdrawal request and you can withdraw your funds using any of the gateway. Here you can transfer your amount from one account to another, like suppose there are two users on the account, and or one is merchant or other is user. So merchant can transfer balance to other account from using this option. Here are personal details, like you can change all your personal details and gender, etc. Here are transaction histories. So here you can see we have requested one deposit of 1,000 rupees that is pending currently, and when admin will approve this deposit, the amount will be added to the user account. Here you can see different levels management, so you can use it for referral purposes. So how much people you refer, they will be appeared right here, and all their amounts, etc. will be appeared here. Here is referral section. So this is your referral link. You can refer different user using this link, or this is your referral code. So you can use any of one to refer different people's. So viewers, this is all about this Aviator home page and game page, and I guided you about those things. Here a user can go to your social media accounts and you can change these things. And now viewers, I am going to log out from here, and I will go to my admin panel of this website, from where I will show you we will completely control the website from admin panel. So to go to admin panel, type /admin, and here this is our admin panel page, and here we have to enter our username and password in order to log into the admin panel. So without entering these details, no one can log into the admin panel. Only the person who is admin, only that person can log into this admin panel. So here we'll enter admin email, and we'll enter admin password, so we can easily log in. Click on sign in, and here you can see that we have successfully logged into the admin panel of this website. Here you can see the total users, total recharges, and total withdrawals on the website. And viewers, now let me show you user management option. So here you can see all different users that are on website. So these are all the users. Currently website is newly created, I just created it, and there are 2 users on our website. So you can see all those 2 users. Now if you want to edit their details, you can edit those user details from here, and this is how you can edit them. Let me show you some other option. Here you can add balances to their account. So admin can add balance to user account at any time. Suppose I want to make this user balance 2,000, so I can make this user balance 2,000 from here. So here let me just add 2,000, because currently our balance is 53. So let me add 30 rupees, and now it will be around 73 rupees. So now balance, sorry for this, update wallet, we have to make this balance 150. So I'm making his balance 150, so its balance will change to 150. So its balance has changed to 150, and here there is 1,000 recharge request that we have sent it, so we will approve this as well. So first let me show you our balance has changed or not. So let me just copy this, and let's go to our account. Let me show you. Here we have to enter our username. So I'm entering my email to log in. So click enter your password and log in. So here you can see our balance is 150 now, because I have changed that amount from admin. And here you can go to plane crashed, and you can see, let me tell you easily. So first of all, here you can change the plane crash time. So how will you change it? Now you can see there is value 100. 100 is used to represent that the plane will crash randomly. The process will happens randomly. Plane can crash at any time. So 100 means that. So here you can read in rules. So first of all, if you set this value between 10 to 20, so it will be around 1 to 1.9x it will go to. So here you can set 20, it will go to 2.0 to 2.9x. so similarly 30, 3.9x it will go up to, and similarly you can see these places here over here. And if you want to change this value, you can change this crash value and set your own value from here. So now go to recharge history. So here you can see there is one deposit request that we have sent it. So when you click on approve, the deposit request will be approved, and now 1000 rupees more will be added to user account. Here let me just refresh, and you can see now balance is 1150 rupees. So this is how you can approve the deposits of users. Here is withdrawal history. So currently we haven't no user has requested the withdrawal, and when user will request a withdraw, the request will be same appeared right here, and you have to verify it and approve it. So here is the amount setup. So from here you can mainly set up the game, like you can turn the status of game on off from here. Click on this and you can put 0 for off. Here you can select the minimum bet amount, maximum bet amount, initial bonus. You can change this from here. Currently it's 50, but you can change it. Here you can set the minimum withdrawal amount, minimum recharge amount, start game timer, end game timer. So you can set the timer of game from here, that how much like it will move from 1x to 3.2x, like average timer. So here you can select the level commission. You can set the level commission from here. So go to action and enter the how much level you want commission you want to give to user. You can give it. Game start time you set, end time you can set, crash time same, like you can set it from here. Here go to bank details, and you can change all your bank detail for deposits etc. You can change them from here. So you can set all UPI ID and other things from here, and everything is settable from here. If you want to use any gateway, we will build it for you, so you don't need to worry about that. So viewers, in this video I guided you about everything of this related to this website. Now viewers, if you want to buy this script or complete website, just contact us and we will build this for you. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.